There are many businesses belonging to both the private and public sector who host scholarship programs for the children of their shareholders and staff. For many years, however, Bank of Saint Lucia has been going a little further by hosting a full one-day workshop to better prepare its scholarship recipients for school, success, and for life. This year's 11th annual Student Success Workshop was based on the theme Achieving Success Through Positive Relationships and covered several topics including self-esteem, conflict resolution, and the importance of listening and body language, among others.
We're very happy to be here today to host these students who are actually children of our staff members here at the bank. It's very important to us to recognize their hard work and their achievements in the Common Entrance Examination, and some of them are also repeat participants of the program. We focus a lot on education and youth development, as these two areas play such a major part of our corporate social responsibility program here at Bank of Saint Lucia.
Local author Valentine Dantes was first selected to facilitate the workshop based on the success of his educational book entitled Orientation Made Easy: What to Expect When Starting Secondary School. As a former teacher and employee of the bank, Dantes says that he is forever grateful to Bank of Saint Lucia for giving him the opportunity to recognize and harness his talents. It has been a journey. It has been a very wonderful experience, meeting so many children and being able to impact them in so many different ways. Bank of Saint Lucia has been very supportive in terms of helping me grow my business, helping me grow this initiative, this workshop. Bank of Saint Lucia's HR team oversees the program every year and have been pleased with the results so far based on feedback from both the parents and students. BOSL is very grateful to its shareholders and employees for its success, and the annual Student Success Workshop is one of the many ways the bank gives back to them, the youth, and education.